Hi, I'm Isabel, and this is my slime collection. So number one is this good, stretchy, fluffy slime. Just focus on the slime, not my face. So here, I'm just covering my face. Okay, so this is my first slime. Now my second one is this one. Once again, in the open container. It is. I'm trying to get most of it out. It's kind of a sticky. It's a kind of sticky. Okay. Oh, just as much as I can get. Kind of struggling over here. No biggie. There's glitter stuck all on the bottom. This is the container. It's just stuck. So this is the purple fluffy slime. It's a purple kind of raspberry color with glitter. It is made with glue, saline solution, shaving cream, baking soda, and that's technically it. And food coloring and glitter. But y'all should have already know it's made of food coloring. It's made with purple and pink and blue food coloring. It is another fluffy. Now the next one is non-fluffy. It is a non-fluffy slime. There's a little bubble. And it comes out really easy. Comes really easy out of its container. It's really glitter. It's kind of oceany. I call it the glitter ocean. Because it's like filled with glitter. It feels so good. I just like this feeling. There's only one more slime, but at the end I'm going to show you all of my slimes. Okay, the last slime is this oozy jelly slime. It's another fluffy blue, but it's way more oozier. I don't know how it's oozier than the other. The shaving cream is scented, so these are raspberry scented.
You know how to watch this guy. I've watched some of this stuff. It's really fun.
Really cool slime.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna do this stuff.
Hear that in the background? That's just my eye.
On my finger earlier, it was bleeding.
Well, I really hope you enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the bell down below. Bye.